Hello guys, my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to hack blockman multiplayer full update 2018 today. Actually, yeah, this is the really full updated actually now. So yeah, so we can first step you wanna go Minecraft. I got this Minecraft from my friend. He said, yeah, because I don't have actual Minecraft because he said I should get one. And he just give me this Minecraft. And you wanna have this update, guys? When you don't have this update, download this update now. Who is not actually gonna work for you? Maybe it will not work because actually I played this long, try it, and so. You wanna go here and type, guys. So actually don't leave, guys. Actually I'm not signed in, without sign in. Actually you don't need to sign in actually, but yeah, okay. So you can name it whatever you want, but I'm gonna name it blockman because it's blockman. So you wanna type 127.0 wait point 0 point. Yeah, okay, I know way to do so okay. So then push save. So you wanna wait like 2 minutes to 1 minute. You can wait 1 minute or 2 minutes. Actually, I wait every time 1 minute in here. Just wait here 1 minute and push X, and yeah, I'll see you when I'm done with 1 minute. So guys, as you see, I'm done with the 1 minute now. So when you're done, go exit and wanna go in blockman multiplayer for MCP. So you need so yeah, you here actually go not go. So guys, don't go normal Minecraft. And actually I forget the next step actually, because you don't need to make it in the normal Minecraft, the thing. Actually you need to do this again. So I'm sorry guys, I forget it. I just forget it. So, go in the toolbox. When you don't know toolbox is a mod menu hack which you can upgrade your flipping sword to full it level up. So this is so strong, you can make it stronger actually, yeah. And you can download this like for free. So you want to go on Play Store and type toolbox for Minigraph PE, download it and push it actually, guys. When you're done pushing it, actually select Minecraft. And you need to add your blockman again actually. Blockman. And then 127.0.0.1. So save. Actually when you save, wait again. 1 minute or 2 minutes. I'm gonna make it 2 minutes because here it's actually gonna be not working in 1 minute. So I see you when I'm done with 1 minute. I mean 2 minutes. So guys, I'm done with flipping. Actually, as you see, I'm done with 2 minutes. So you wanna go now and actually block my multiplayer, and you can search the world. Search the world actually. You can get some world. Search the world for you guys. So not Spanish. I don't know Spanish. I can't Spanish actually. Yo, why is this Spanish, bro? So bad as I need to change it. So yes, I'm gonna change it fast. Actually, I'll see you. So I'm done. So now you wanna go get to one world. Which one? So I pick one world. So you wanna wait 1, 2, 3. You wanna go in flipping in it, and then wait, this did, oh yeah, and then you wanna remove it and go to friends and push that thing, and then done. You wanna wait, and done. You have the, oh my god. So it didn't work. So don't worry, guys. Don't worry. You want to do that again, which the hardest part. You need to do that again. Oh, man. No. 127.0.0.1 save. I need to wait. So guys, I'm done. Yeah, I wait 3 minutes because I sleep. Yeah. I think poor pub. I don't know. So let's go now. That take me long. I just sleep. So man, oh my god, I'm 54% already. Oh my god, it's gonna freeze up. I know. Flashing. What the heck? Hey, what happened, bro? So I'm gonna click and out. So yeah. So guys, I just talked with my Oma. So actually, I posted first, and so let's go, world, bro. Let's go. So 1, 2, 3, flip it, done. So you just don't locate it. It's just so I flip it. Do that. Go. So I hope it make it. Please locate me. Locate it. So my God, and I'm able to connect world. So in that game, actually, I joined one game. It actually works. What happened when I go there? But they gonna report me from hacking in there because they know I already hacked there. Because actually I fly out and you just say, "Oh my God, you are a hacker." She talked in Spanish. Oh, I think I need to do it. I think I need to. I need to. Should I, guys? So I think I should. I think do it. I'm gonna do it. Don't, bro. Wait. Let's try North America. I didn't have North America. North America. I like North America. Let's go in 3, 1. Okay, I'm closing this. Try another. So yeah, it didn't work. Yeah, I think I need to do it, but I'm just gonna do it in America. So yeah, I'm gonna post this one on the server. So guys, I go here and I hate this actually. I hate this. Is the world still here? I don't know. Let's go. Oh, is the world still here? Okay, good. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, go, boy. Go. Rush. Oh, shoot. I forget to add it. Oh my god, no. Look, man. Okay, 127.0.0.1. No save. Come on. Oh, it worked, boy. It worked. What the heck? I flipping glitch out of the hellless. Yo, what the heck happened there? So guys, I think I just lag. I like, bro. So it didn't work again because I lag. But try it, guys, because I don't have luck of it is. Because not here, just leave it. It's gonna work. I want to show it, but it didn't work for me for no reason today. But it worked one time actually. That was special, like so. So, guys, I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you the hack actually. So the hack is actually this. Look, I'm gonna join my old world so you can play. So this is the hack. You have a map. You can see pigs, players actually when you have player in this game. So you can be creative. Maybe it will not work or kill yourself, but maybe it not work. No clip will work and fly too. Inside this level, actually you can do it automatic sprint, and that work too. So day and night work too a little bit. I think yeah, for you only. That another speed will work too. This everything thing and it work too. Teleportation works. Yeah, work. And then this, I think work. I don't know. I think I put it. So here you want to push the armor, or you can type words and everything, and then you can enchant it to the best whatever. I'm gonna show you how foolish it can. So this is the full one. Save it. You see, let's kill someone. Kill someone. Let's go kill someone. Let's go pick one. Look, 1 damage. It burns. Yeah, lit. You get so many foods for free, boys. For free. So yeah, you can upgrade your flipping. Yeah, the thing too. I didn't know what's this. Just comment below what's this is for. I don't know what, but X-ray really works. Actually, you see nothing. You see up there X-ray button. Push it. You see some. That's real. Actually, that's real. You know why, guys? When I go here, and you'll see. Wait, what the heck? Oh yeah, that's the what. And you'll see this. Wait. You'll see this, guys. You'll see that. You see? So you can see the zombie too over there. Irons, diamonds, everything. Lava too. What's a specialist? Yeah. Yeah. That's all. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Try that tag. Actually, I didn't work in me actually, but yeah. Actually, I didn't have luck today, but I hope you guys have. So yeah, like in the video. Actually, I said it already. So like and subscribe already. Actually, I told it already. So let's go. Bye, bye, boys. Wait, don't flip. Don't flip it. Bye, bye, boys. Bye. Boom.